Hello, this is my parent newsletter. The first site that you see here is shapeamerica.org. And on this site, I have some links to go into the website and get different information. There's also information about the website. The second website is Choose My Plate. You will also see some links here that will take you to different places in the website. There's information and recipes. If you would like to join, there's also a link here that you can click on, and it will take you to where you can join. My parent letter also includes a couple of articles. There is one right here. There's a little overview of the article, and there's a link here that you can click on, and it's going to take you to the full article. This is the second article right here, and it's the same thing. There's a description here, and there's a link to read the full article. There is also a section about a book that you can check out, and it's for staying active and eating healthy, and it's with by Dr. Seuss. So there is a link here where you can go and watch the video about the book, but there's also a little bit of about what the book is about right here. And lastly, there is a site about how to stay active. There is a link here where you can go to the website and read about it and check it out. And there are additional links right here in the description. Thank you.